How to make $150,000 plus a year selling final expense over the phone. I'm going to give you an overview, mindset, goals, and the numbers you need to do to reach a goal of $150,000 plus a year selling final expense over the phone. 1. You have to realize that the phone is the best tool you can use to reach this goal. The phone is more important than Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or your CRM system. The phone has been around for 139 years. Over 3 billion phone calls are made every day. 2. For example, Grant Cardone has built 5 multi-million-dollar businesses with zero startup capital. They were all started using the power of the phone. Today he has over 45 salespeople selling over the phone. The average agent will make 150 calls a day. Yes, that's not a misprint. 3. The top final expense producers today who are making $1,000 to $1,500 a day aren't running all over the state chasing deadbeat leads. It's almost impossible for them to give 7 to 9 interviews a day working face-to-face with prospects. 4. However, for final expense agents who are either buying 8 to 10 live transfers a day and are licensed in 8 to 10 states are making $1,000 to $1,500 a day. If they're good on the phone plus high energy and have a dynamite phone script who walk the prospect through, the sales prospect is closing 35 to 40% of all their transfers. 5. Other top final expense producers who have experienced telemarketers calling daily for them using a speed dialer are receiving 8 to 12 transfers or leads a day. Of course, you will need access to a speed dialer, scripts, data lists, motivating your team, and training your telemarketers. A top experienced telemarketer who is calling at least 6 hours a day can generate 4 to 8 leads per day. Average cost having a speed dialer along with data to call you will need to invest $200 a week. Basically, half of your commission on one sale. 6. You need to know your numbers. One final expense female agent who made $100,000 in commissions in 2 months using a power dialer calls from the morning until late in the evening. She is a beast on the phone. Very aggressive and super powerful on the phone. If you're a laid-back and weak-kneed final expense agent on the phone, don't try this. Sometimes she speed dials 125 phone numbers per day. Gives an average of 8 to 10 interviews per day. 7. If you don't want to take this type of negative abuse cold calling, then I recommend you hire 2 to 3 Philippine telemarketers to do this task for you at $4 to $5 per hour plus a bonus when you make a sale. I have a source where you can place an ad for $65 and you will get a dozen telemarketers to email their resume. Check it out at www.goldenprospector.com. 8. Some final expense agents are using social media to generate leads to build a high 6-figure income. Using Facebook ads, YouTube videos, Google ads. The top final expense producers who are making 6 figures are paying $100 to $150 per day in lead cost. 9. Top producers know their ROI. If they're paying, for example, $15 per lead and they receive 10 leads a day for $150. If they close 3 policies a day and the average commissions are $400. Then you gross $1,200 minus the $150 for telemarketing and made $1,050. If you can average these numbers once you have your team and sales system tuned in, then you're on your way to $150,000 a year in income. 10. People today are buying almost everything online. Can you imagine what will happen when they start selling insurance online? 11. It's true, 75% of all final expense agents never call back the second time. According to statistics, it sometimes takes 8 to 12 contacts to close a high-value client. Personally, I'm not going to call back prospects that many times. I'm going to put them into an email autoresponder and drip on them weekly. 12. Finally, if you are going to have telemarketers calling for you, please remember these 3 strategies. Tell your telemarketers they can be successful. Have great scripts and role play with your team and then do the math. Check out our website at www.finalexpensemillionaire.com. Again, that's www.finalexpensemillionaire.com.